Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome everyone. So today I am going to solve different methods to count number of triangles. I have also used some methods in part 1 and here I am going to use different methods in part 2. If you haven't watched part 1 then please go and watch part 1 unless you won't be able to understand anything in part 2. I have given link of part 1 in the description. Go and check it. So now let's start. Here I am going to start from method 7 and I have also described up to method 6 in part 1. Here we have a triangle whose base is divided into 5 parts and it has two parallel lines. One line is divided into 2 parts and second line is divided into 3 parts. So now we have to count total number of triangles into this triangle. Firstly we add 1 plus 2 which is equal to 3. Then we add 1 plus 2 plus 3 which is equal to 6. Firstly we have added numbers into this line, then we have added numbers into this line, then we add numbers into the base 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 which is equal to 15. Now we add these three numbers 15 plus 6 plus 3 which is equal to 24. So there are total 24 number of triangles into this triangle. Here's another triangle which is larger than the previous one. In this triangle base is divided into 6 parts and it has two parallel lines. Both lines are divided into 3 parts. Firstly we add numbers into parallel lines. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6, and then we add numbers into the base 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 which is equal to 21. Now we add 21 plus 6 plus 6 which is equal to 23. So in this triangle we have total 23 number of triangles. Now we move to method 8. In this method we have a completely different figure. In this method we have one triangle and a reflection of a triangle and it is making a different figure. So now the upper triangle is divided into 3 parts. Its base is divided into 3 parts and now we count number of triangles into the upper triangle. Its base is divided into 3 parts. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So the number of triangles into upper triangles is 6. So we have same triangle on the lower side, so we multiply 6 by 2 and we get total number of triangles into this figure. 6 cross 2 is equal to 12. Here's another other triangle which is same as the previous one but a little larger. In this triangle, upper triangle's base is divided into 5 parts. We add these numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 which is equal to 15. So now we multiply 15 by 2 which is equal to 30. So we have 30 number of triangles into this triangle. Now we move to method 8. In this triangle we have same figure as the previous one but there is a slight difference. In the previous triangle in the between there was no triangle, but in this method we have a triangle between this figure, like this triangle and this triangle. So now we solve it as the previous one. Its base is divided into 4 parts. We add these 4 numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. Then we multiply 10 by 2 which is equal to 20, but 20 is not the actual number of triangles into this triangle, and the reason is this slight difference, that there are triangles in between of this triangle. So we add 20 into the largest number. So 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. So there are 24 number of triangles into this triangle. Here is the same figure but it is a little larger. In this triangle, upper triangle's base is divided into 6 parts. We add these 6 numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 21. Then we multiply 21 by 2 which is equal to 42, but we know 42 is not the exact answer because there are triangles between this figure. So we add 42 into the largest number which is 6. So 42 plus 6 is equal to 48, and 48 is the actual number of triangles into this triangle. Now we move to the method 10. In this method we have a completely different figure and we are going to use a formula to count number of triangles in this triangle. But to use this formula we have a condition. That condition says that n should be even, and in this triangle we have n is even, n is equal to 2, 1 and 2 which is an even number. So to use number of triangles we have this formula, n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 over 8. Now we put n is equal to into this formula and we calculate total number of triangles into this triangle. here's a larger triangle. In this triangle n is equal to 4, which is an even number. We have this formula, we put n is equal to 4, we solve it, and then we get 27, which is the total number of triangles into this triangle. Now we move to method 11. In this method we have same figure as the previous one, but there is a slight difference in it, that n should be odd. In this figure n is equal to 3, which is an odd number. So this difference is gonna make a difference into the formula. So n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 is for odd over 8. So now we are gonna put n is equal to 3 into this formula, and we are gonna count number of triangles into this triangle. We put n is equal to 3, solve it, and then we get 13, which is the total number of triangles into this triangle. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned a lot. If you have a question, then comment below to let me know. If you found this useful, then hit like and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you so much.